Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's daily market review on the 14th of April 2021. This is Mohanad Yaoud, Head of Market Research at CJC Markets in the MENA region. Let's have a quick look on the markets as usual to know what we are expecting through the day and what does the technical analysis tell us. So please stay tuned. Welcome back, everyone, and let's start by having a quick look on the US dollar index. On the 4-hour time frame, we basically extended the losses below the 200 exponential moving average. On the 30 minutes time frame, it seems very bearish. However, we do have the fact that we are having the bullish divergence on the 30 minutes time frame, which might expect an upward move during the day, and that's on the dollar trading. However, the nearest support that we should be looking for during the day is basically just around the 91.50 on the dollar index. We are currently just 25 pips above the support. We might have an extended move to the upside from here. However, the better scenario for me is to just move down a little bit to the support, having a strong one on the 4-hour time frame with a bullish divergence on the 30 minutes time frame. We'll basically have an extended move to the upside on the dollar trading, and that's what we're having during the day. Another look on the gold trading, currently at 1743. Basically, we did have this brilliant move to the downside. We didn't reach equilibrium yet. The equilibrium was just around 1718. We're back to trading above the 200 exponential moving average. We are just hovering around this level of 1740 roughly. What we are expecting through the day, or the best scenario for me, is basically to break above the 1749 level. Once we create a new higher high, we'll definitely be targeting an upward move to 1758 or 1760 zone. That's what we're having here. So the bullish scenario for gold trading during the day is basically once we trade above 1749. However, as long as we are trading below 1749 on the 30 minutes time frame, we don't have any much room to trade the gold. We have the 1749 resistance and the 200 exponential moving average to the downside, so we'll just be neutral on gold below 1749, and above 1749 will definitely be bullish till the 1760 level during the day. Another look on the US crude oil, we basically reached the level of resistance just around 61.30, and the last long trade that we did basically talk about is basically it did reach the target. Currently, we are not thinking of going bullish on oil. However, it's not showing any signs of weakness yet. So what we are basically looking for is a move to the downside below this level. So the key level that we're having on US crude oil is basically just around 60.83. Once we go lower below 60.83 and hold our trading below it, we'll basically be back to the equilibrium just at 59.75, and then back to the basic support of $58. So it's a ping pong trade, and we can see this clearly on the 4-hour time frame. We did have this long trade, short, long, short, and that was the last long. We are expecting another short on the US oil in this sideways movement that we are in. However, we'll just not go and just sell the gold at this point. However, we'll need some signs of weakness first before going bearish on the US crude oil. The last thing that we're having here is the Dow Jones. Basically, the Dow Jones is still able to create new higher highs. However, on the 4-hour time frame, it is showing weak momentum. We are having lower highs on the momentum indicator. However, we are having higher highs on the US Dow Jones. In this case, we are basically neutral on the Dow Jones. This is an uptrend that we wouldn't buy. However, there are no any signs of any possible shorts on the US Dow Jones. During the day, what we should watch is basically the 33,840 level, which was the highest high that we did reach on the Dow Jones, and the lows of 33,560 points. Any break of either this support or the resistance will continue movement in the direction of the breakout. And that was what we're having today in the markets. Thank you very much for watching, and please stay safe.
CJC Markets is a leading global financial institution that has granted a derivatives issuer license issued by the Financial Markets Authority New Zealand. CJC Markets has a wide range of products, latest technology platform, and eminent customer service. CJC Markets offers superior execution, competitive spreads, and low transaction costs. CJC Markets. Smart trading, smart life.